If I told you that one American muscle car from the 70s had the looks of a Camaro, the power of a Mustang, and the attitude of a Challenger, but still got forgotten by history, would you believe it? Well, today, we're bringing that legend back. This is the 1971 AMC Javelin AMX, the lost muscle car that almost ruled America. The moment you see the Javelin AMX, you know this car was different. Long hood, wide stance, aggressive nose. It looked like it wanted to fight every other muscle car on the street. But here's the twist, this design wasn't just for show. The Javelin AMX was built to dominate the track. Under the hood, it carried AMC's legendary 401 cubic inch V8. This beast produced 330 horsepower, but real numbers were way higher. Car reviewers from the 70s said, "It feels like 400 horsepower hiding under the badge. 0 to 60 in just 5.7 seconds. In 1971, that was a statement. What people don't know, the Javelin AMX became a monster in Trans Am racing. It didn't just participate, it won the championship, beating Ford, Chevy and Dodge. For a smaller company like AMC, this was unbelievable. So why didn't it become a superstar? 3 reasons. AMC wasn't a big brand like Ford or Chevy. Marketing was weak. Muscle car era started dying in the early 70s, and just like that, one of America's most promising muscle cars disappeared from the spotlight. Today, the 1971 Javelin AMX is a collector's dream. It's rare, powerful, unique, and far more eye-catching than many popular 70s cars. Anyone who sees it asks the same question, how did we all forget this? So that was the forgotten beast, the 1971 AMC Javelin AMX. A muscle car that deserved fame, but instead became a hidden treasure. If you love vintage cars, subscribe, because we're bringing forgotten legends back to life.